Hey guys, this is just a short optional video to show you how this simulation works if you're not sure. So once you click on the link, you'll get this page, and then you're going to click the play button, and it's going to come up with two options. So first, you're going to do the introduction. So you'll click on introduction, and you're going to be able to create molecules. So if you click right here, click the up arrow, it will give you one of each of those molecules. Now, there are some tools you can use. So you've got some balances. So right now, this is showing us that we have two N's on the left and only one on the right, so that's not balanced. And it's showing us something similar with the H's. So you can look at that, or this is kind of a different way of showing that these aren't equal right now. So let's go back to the balances. If I add another N, H3 right here. Now I can see my N's are balanced. I've got two on each side, but my H's are not balanced. So they're still not balanced, and now they're balanced, and I can tell they're balanced because now there's a smiley face. Now on your assignment, which I maybe just closed, but we'll open it back up, your assignment asks you to figure out the number of molecules on the reactant side and on the product side. So if you look over here, this is the reactant side. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 molecules on the reactant side and just 2 on the product side. So you could enter those in the table. Now this table, you're supposed to count the number of atoms, which is different. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 atoms on that side, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 atoms on the reactant side. So you can see that's equal. So that's supposed to be showing you that atoms aren't created or destroyed. All right, so once you get through these questions, through question 5, then you need to play the games. So you go over here to game, and these are fun. Click level 1. It doesn't have the tools anymore. Move this over here. But it does have the molecules that you can add to the screen. So right now I can see I've got one N over here and 2 over here. So I'm going to need another N here. And I've got 2 hydrogens over here and 6 over here. So and you can see the coefficient changes to match what you're putting on there. And then if you think you've got it right, you can hit check. And it'll give you 2 points. So you need to do levels 1 and 2 of the game. You don't have to do level 3, but you can. Level 3 is kind of challenging. So anyway, that's how you work this simulation. So if you have any other questions, let me know, send me an email, and have a good day.